English essay Peacock. The peacock is a very beautiful bird. It is deep blue and green in color. It has a long neck. It has a crest on its head. The peacock has small eyes. It has thin legs. The peacock has colorful feathers. It is a heavy bird. It cannot fly high as other birds. The female peacock is called a peahen. The peahen does not have colorful feathers. The peacock eats grain and worms. It is a messenger of rain. It calls out loudly to welcome the first showers of rain. The peacock spreads its colorful feathers and dances. It is a pleasure to watch the peacock dance. The peacock is our national bird. It is considered to be the vehicle of Goddess Saraswati. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.